Brillantes. Malalaman natin yan in just a quick bit. One final dare. Grabe na ubos! Siyempre tandoy. Siyempre tandoy na naman kasi yan. O diba, inubos mo, meron ka bang dare. Here we go, our final dare. We dare Andrea to take the fire shot.
Oh, wow.
Eto na. What exactly is a fire shot? We will find out right now. Eto na.
Ako ba nagawa?
Iniwan ka.
Ano yan?
Mali. Alright, here we go. The fire shot. So I believe ito yung sisindihan and then iinom using the straw, if I'm not mistaken. Grabe, punong-puno pala. Sabagay, it is a Friday night. You know, for those of you guys who are here as well, take advantage of the bar area that we have. Remember, it is a Friday night. We are celebrating a brand new era for Tanduay. So you also have more reasons to celebrate, aside from the fact that it is a Friday night. Pwede rin kayo, just viable for tonight. But remember, drink responsibly. Here we go, the fire shot in 3, 2, may hangin. Ang pandunan. Okay, harangan natin.
Yung aircon dito.
Wait lang, sir.
Natatakpan ko yung hangin.
Sino may lighter? Mga bossing, baka may pa-lighter tayo dyan. Ready ka na ba? Ang dami yan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo guys.
Pagkakasi yung shot.
May nakasulat dito. Yung sa unang level, wala ka pala eh. Yung second level, chill lang. Yung third, palaban. Yung sa'yo, ito, saka lang, pero yung sa'yo lumampas. Okay, ready na sir? Okay. Here we go, the fire shot. You ready?
Hype niyo ako.
Oh, hype natin, everybody, let's go! The fire shot in 3, 2. Ang dami talaga. Let's go lighter! Wow. Absolutely fiery. Grabe, again, if you guys can see it, may levels yung shot glass. Lumampas pa sa sakalam. Yung shot na binibigay natin kay Andrea. And there it is! Pwede rin mo palakpakan everybody to hype our Kevin Grill up! Here we go! Bottom 7, 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Yun! Talaga namang game na game si Blythe. Pwede na palakpakan mga kaibigan. For the last time that I'm Blythe, please take center stage, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up one more time for our 2026 Tanduay Calendar Girl, Andrea Brillantes! Beautiful! Stunning again, our new fire flower girl, Andrea Brillantes. Maraming salamat, Andrea! And thank you so much to Tanduay for continuing to celebrate strength, beauty, and pride in every Filipino. And to all of our guests who are here and our media friends as well, maraming salamat for being part of this historic night. This has been Sean Ortega, and it is my absolute pleasure hosting for all of you tonight. Mga kaibigan, magkikita tayo ulit next time. Stay bold, stay timeless, and keep the fire burning. Good night,